If you're noticing a musty smell in your space or having allergy symptoms and unexplained health issues, it might be time to check for mold. Mold can be sneaky, and it comes in various textures and hues. Here are the different types of mold and how you can identify them. Black mold, or Stachybotrys battery, is often found in damp, hidden areas like behind walls or under carpets. Look for black or dark green patches and a strong musty smell. Penicillium are usually blue or green. This mold grows on materials that have been damaged by water, such as wallpaper, carpet, and insulation. While most prevalent in the air, Aspergillus is a type of mold that can also be found in soil, compost piles, and decaying plants. These molds range from a yellow-green color to blue-green hues. Then, there is Cladosporium, a mold typically appearing in olive green or brown with velvet texture. It grows on wood, textiles, and other areas that don't get sunlight and have poor ventilation like basements or attics. Before we move on to how you can test for mold in 4 easy steps, make sure you are subscribed for more helpful tips. DIY mold test kits are widely available from home improvement stores and online retailers. Before you use this, make sure the windows and doors of the room you'll be testing are shut off 24 hours prior to testing. The first step is to set up the mold test kit. It should include a Petri dish with a lid and treated with a substance known as a microbial culture to promote mold growth. Step 2. Remove the lid and place the open Petri dish on a flat surface at table height or where you suspect mold. Leave it undisturbed for 48 hours. Once the waiting time has passed, seal the Petri dish with the lid, secure it with tape, and label it with the date. Step 4. Stow the Petri dish in a dark spot, such as a dresser drawer or on a closet shelf. Check daily for mold growth. If no mold appears after 5 days, dispose of the dish. If mold is present, send the dish to the lab recommended by the manufacturer for analysis, including any required payment. Now, if you're dealing with persistent mold issues or large infestations, it's best to call in professionals. They use advanced techniques like air quality testing and infrared cameras to detect hidden mold. Professionals can also provide a detailed remediation plan to ensure your space is mold-free. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video.